Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and add Google Contacts to your Gmail. Now, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. I'm currently logged in. Come here and click on this. This is the Google Apps section. You want to go ahead and click on Contact. So we're going to Google Contacts for this Gmail. And now right here, we can see I do not have any contact. So you can come here and click on Create Contact. You can either create one by one individually, or you can create multiple contacts. I'll show you each. So if I come click on create a contact, I can add a first name and a last name, right? There's a lot of other options like company and other information. I just come here and add the phone number. So I'll select the country, whichever country it is. In this case, I am doing United States. So I'll go ahead and put in this number. All right, so go ahead and save this contact. Just come here, click on save. And as you can see, it would be saved into your Google Contacts. So I come back here. This is one of my contacts. Now I'll show you how to add multiple contacts, okay? Let's say you had maybe exported your contacts from your other email, right? Or you just created a CSV file. All you need to do is come and upload this. So I come here, click on create contact, click on create multiple contacts. And right here, you can import them by clicking on this. Then you come here and select the file, click on that to browse. All right, so I'll go ahead and select this CSV file with the contact. The files have been uploaded. I'll just go ahead and click on import. And then let's see it update right here once it is done importing. So these are all my contacts, right? It's really that easy and simple.